Hello, dear students. I welcome all the 8th standard students of St. Vincent Pallotti School, Ranala Kamti, in the world of computer subject. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 4, which is more on HTML. In that, we are going to learn about structure of an HTML document and saving an HTML document, viewing HTML document. A new HTML document or a web page can be created using a text editor such as WordPad or a Notepad. So let's learn how to open a Notepad. To open a Notepad, you need to follow some steps. First, click on the Start button, then click on the All program, then click on the Accessories and select the option of Notepad. Then the Notepad will be opened. Like this, you can open the text editor Notepad. Now let's learn about the structure of an HTML document. All HTML files should include at least 4 tags which we are going to learn now. So the first tag is HTML tag, and this HTML tag is a non-empty tag. It means that this tag has an opening tag as well as a closing tag. The opening tag of HTML indicates that the document has been written in HTML, and the closing tag of HTML indicates the end of the HTML document. Next tag is head tag, and head tag is also a non-empty tag. It means it will also have a closing tag. The opening head tag is used to give a heading of the web page, and the closing head tag is used to end the heading. Next tag is title tag, and it is also a non-empty tag, so it will also have a closing tag. Title tag is always written within head tag. The tag which is written within another tag is called nested tag. So title tag is a nested tag. In nested tag, you need to remember that the internal tag will be closed before then the external tag will be closed. The opening title tag is used to give title to the HTML document, and the closing title tag is used to end the title. As we are learning the HTML document, HTML language, so I am giving here a title HTML world. You need to remember one more thing, that head tag and title tags are optional tags. It means that you can write an HTML document without using a head tag and title tag. But you cannot write an HTML document without writing HTML and body tag. Now let's learn about the most important tag, which is body tag. And this is also a non-empty tag. It means that it will also have a closing tag. So the opening body tag contains the body of the web page. It is the area where most of the work is done, and it means that whatever the contents that you want to display on the web page, that you need to write in the body tag. The closing body tag is used to end the body. So let's write some text within this body tag, so we can display that same text on our web page also. Like, hello dear students, my name is Bharti Deshpatar. and I am your computer teacher. Like this, you can write your HTML document. After writing your HTML document, you need to save your HTML document. To save your HTML document, you need to follow some steps. For this, first you need to click on the File menu, then click on the Save option. The Save dialog box appears. Choose the folder or a drive in which you want it to save and then type the name of the file followed by a suffix .html or htm. It means that after writing the name of file Bharti new, after writing file name you need to write .html and then click on the save button. Now let's learn how to view your saved HTML document. Once you created a document, you can view it in any web browser, for example, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or Google Chrome. To view an HTML document web page, open your web browser software like Google Chrome, and in the search box, as you remember that we have saved our file in G drive. So I will write G, give, then write colon, and after writing G and colon down, you can see that index of G colon came. So click on there. So all the files of G drive will be opened. So in that files, you need to search the name of your HTML document like Bharti new HTML. So whatever the text we have written in our body tag, that same text you can see on your web page. Hello dear students, my name is Bharti Dishsar and I am your class computer teacher. You can make this text colorful, attractive. For this, you need to make some changes in your HTML coding. So, if you want to change background color of web page, so that for this you need to write bg color in body tag and then write the name of color like yellow, and suppose you want to give color to your font, then you have to write font tag. And for giving color to your font, you need to write color attribute and write its value green. You can mention size also in font tag like size, write the attribute size and then write its value like 36. Then it is also a non-empty tag. Font tag is also a non-empty tag, so you need to also close this tag and then save this HTML document again. After saving your after making changes in HTML document, come to Google Chrome and click on the refresh button, and then you will see that whatever the changes you made, that will be displayed on your web page. So dear students, for chapter has finished here, and our course of half yearly exam has also finished here.